Here we are, Clermont Goat Farm. You can see there's our Billy, male Kiko, surrounded by about 10 female goats. You can see behind them they have about 15 acres of land to graze. Goes all the way back there, coming all the way around to the front. And over here, this is where we keep our female goats that are about to have babies. I think right now we have about 3 of them. We move them time to time from this pasture to the next one, to the main farm area. You can see them over there. And if you're wondering where the babies are, here you go. We have about 5 of them in here. You got 3 there. And you got 2 hiding behind the gates.